Hello, my name's Larry Nichols, and I'm here again. Everybody knows now about the great speech Obama made before the Joint House of Congress. Well, folks, let me tell you what he didn't talk about. He didn't say we need to close the trade relations with China and Mexico. And if not close them, we at least need to put tariffs and taxes on them so that the products they make and ship in here get taxed commensurate to what it would cost Americans to make the same products or goods. They do it to us. Until we get jobs, I don't care what anybody tells you, liars will lie, believers will believe, but you listen, until we get jobs back in this country, nothing's going to work. They can put our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren in quadrillions of dollars of debt, and it will not work. He talked about kids going to college. You need a college degree. For what? What job is going to be left? No, folks, we need a revolution. Everybody you saw in that chamber, they need to be removed from office. If you don't do it, it won't get done. If we don't save this country, it won't be saved. We need to throw out all of them out of office. We need to start having Boston Tea parties around the country, because indeed we've got taxation without representation. These people represent all those faces, all those dummies you saw in that room. They represent the people that got enough money to buy them, and they are for sale. So with that, I'll be back. But you think about what I told you. We need jobs, not fake jobs. We need real jobs, and without that, this economy is not going to work. Don't believe anything they tell you.